What's up, tubers? Juiced bikers. GoPro Hero 9 Black and the Jaws mount. How many places can I mount this on my bike? What's going to give the best point of views, POVs? How does the camera act when you have it 90 degrees off of center? Here's my Jaws grip mounted on my lawnmower. Have y'all seen my lawnmower videos where I mow the grass and y'all get to watch me mow the grass? I'll scroll up and down. I'm sure it's there. Anyways, this is what I'm thinking. Jaws, got the big old strong jaw here, flexible thing like that, swivels around however you need it to. But let's go find out. Let's go for a ride. Okay, the first and easiest location. And this is also bi-directional because it'll mount the exact same way on the other side of the bike. So we're shooting activity mode, 4K, 30, hyper boost, horizon leveling, level 3 on the bike. Okay, the weight of the camera started pushing down on the accordion. And here is another place that I like to hook it up to. And let's go see how that holds up. Okay, I'm not really expecting much for the look of this, but that's the beauty of the Jaws clamp, is you can stick it anywheres, almost. Here's my next option. Camera is mounted at a 90-degree angle. Software automatically orientates it, but I'm not sure how everything else does on there, but we'll see when we edit this. My goal is to get a little bit of the POV of the frame and the far right of the picture, and then whatever else the rest catches. I see no reason to point this backwards. All that's going to show you is where you've been, and by then it's too late. Okay, here's another option. Let's see how this works out. Alright, here's the one that I'm really most intrigued with finding out what this looks like on video. And because my butt sits back off of the seat, it's going to be about right here, so you're looking at 6 or 8 inches away. I have already switched the mode to super wide, super view, whatever the widest I can get. So I think I've lost the horizon stabilizing, but I should be still hyper boost smooth. So let's go check this out. Okay, now I'm still in that super wide view, and we're going back to this front fork mount because it's an easy to get to without having to get up off your seat. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, lower fork facing backwards, and I'll start out kind of down low, and then as I ride I'll pull it up. See what that looks like. Let's try this one here. Need to adjust the camera a little more like that. And yeah, hey Don, that's where you crack lenses, stuff coming up off the front tire, because I am sock high. But it should give a really cool point of view. Alright, so let's check out this mount. I'm still in the super view, wide view, And if I got it framed right, and I think I do, because of the wide angle of the dangle, I should have the headlamp in the view. Video of me, video and me, video and me. Ew, I'm running out of battery on my GoPro. Alright, we'll just keep going. Anyways, this is just another angle. I've kind of got it angled up. Center mass in the center of the frame, I think. Let's see. Peter Frampton comes alive. How many of y'all remember that song? Man, if we didn't play that all day, every day. Yeah, these tires are not good for gravel, even downhill. I think that's it, man. So let's see here. What did we do today? Oops, I think I just erased it. Nope. 23.5 miles. And back to 0. 2 bars. 49 volts. All right, man. Thumbs up. Leave me a comment of which one of these mounting positions, POVs, was your favorite. And I will see ya.